welcome back to my live classes, biology free live classes online YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel, Shri Gopal Kulkarni. So, today we are going to run a live session on class 10th of biology, especially topic that is autotrophic mode of nutrition in plants. Life processes chapter, okay? Life processes chapter. In that, first topic nutrition is there. Second topic, which one is there? Respiration. Third main topic is transportation, and the fourth one is excretion. All these are the four main topics in life processes chapter. In that, first nutrition. Nutrition in plants. Okay, let us see. See students, I am going to write the reaction of a balanced equation for photosynthesis. In the presence of sunlight, okay, the plants will produce their food. C6H12O6, and small amount of water is formed and oxygen is liberated. Oxygen gas is liberated. So this is the what balanced equation for photosynthesis. Already we know in nutrition there are two types. Yes, autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition. The organisms which can prepare their own food, okay, those are called as autotrophs. From small primary onwards, from your basic syllabuses, and you already know that one. Autotrophs, the organisms which can prepare their own food. Plants, green plants, and few bacteria are there. They are autotrophs. Okay. The organisms which cannot prepare their own food, okay, but they depend on other organisms for food, are called heterotrophs. Heterotrophs are directly or indirectly they depend on autotrophs. How, sir? See, herbivores. Herbivores directly they eat plants. They consume plants. Okay. So they are dependent on autotrophs. Some carnivores are there. They eat only flesh. Okay, like example, lion eats deer and rabbit. These deer and rabbit, these are herbivores. They eat plants. So indirectly, these carnivores are dependent on plants. So organisms, heterotrophs are directly or indirectly they dependent on autotrophs. So autotrophs, from where they will, autotrophs are green plants and some few microorganisms have told you. Bacteria, some bacteria are having chlorophyll. With the help of photosynthesis, they prepare their food. Photosynthetic microorganisms. And some microorganisms are there, with the help of chemicals they prepare their food. Sulfur and so many other chemicals with the help of, though that condition is known as chemosynthesis. With the help of chemicals they prepare the food. Some bacteria with the help of sunlight, photosynthetic microorganisms. So autotrophs, not only green plants students, few microorganisms are there, they can prepare their food. Okay, just give me for 2 seconds, I will just check it out. So any comments are coming? Yes, Culture Express, hello sir. Thank you for your joining the session and giving a wonderful comments here. Hi Vittal, yes, hi. Thank you for attending the classes. So let's continue the class live session here. So students, let us see here. This is a balanced equation for photosynthesis. What is this? Balanced equation for photosynthesis. Very easy, biology is a dead easy students. Let's try to understand. Okay. So plants, trees, they are called, green plants are called as autotrophs. So they have roots, they will get the water. The water will be absorbed by the roots. Okay, so in atmosphere carbon dioxide will be there. That carbon dioxide will also be absorbed by the plants during photosynthesis. Sunlight is there, sunlight will fall on this, so chlorophyll absorb this sunlight in the presence of carbon dioxide, in the presence of water, they prepare their own food. That food is prepared. Okay, so let's try to understand here 6CO2. What is this 6CO2? The plants absorb the carbon dioxide. Photosynthesis process already you know. Okay, plants absorb carbon dioxide. The plants absorb the water, 12H2O. In the presence of sunlight, the plants are having chlorophyll. Because of this chlorophyll only, these plants are called as autotrophs. A special in plant cells there is a special organelle, chloroplast. Inside the chloroplast, chlorophyll is present. That's why all plants are green in color, and also this chlorophyll is necessary to trap, okay, to absorb the sunlight, radiant energy, solar energy, and then prepare the food. Okay, so these are some of the raw materials, carbon dioxide and water. In the presence of sunlight, the plants are having chlorophyll. Okay, the photosynthesis process takes place and the food is prepared. What is the food? Carbohydrates. C6H12O6. It is also called as glucose. Glucose combines together and it will become starch. Okay, so small amount of water is formed inside, okay, during the photosynthesis reaction, and oxygen is liberated. Plants give oxygen. Generally we tell that plants give oxygen. Why plants give oxygen? During photosynthesis, after chemical reaction, the plant releases oxygen. Sir, really plants take carbon dioxide and give oxygen? Yes, only during photosynthesis. When sunlight is present, during photosynthesis process, the plants absorb carbon dioxide and they give out oxygen. But generally, normally, plants also inhale oxygen. They also need oxygen and they release carbon dioxide during when sunlight is absent, during photosynthesis is not taking place. At the time, the plants absorb oxygen and they release carbon dioxide. So don't be confused here. Very simple is there. During photosynthesis, they take carbon dioxide and they release oxygen. So why they need carbon dioxide, sir, during photosynthesis? Yes, this carbon dioxide is reduced into carbohydrates. Okay. So now the very important topic for class 10th, this question has been asked so many times. Again and again they have asked in even examination. They have asked this question, important question. Okay, write 3 events occurring during photosynthesis. The 3 main events occurring during photosynthesis are: first one, okay, absorption of light energy, students. Absorption of what? Light energy. By whom? By chlorophyll. Okay. Fine. If I am audible, please say yes. If my voice is hearing to you, please comment. Please comment here. My voice is audible to you, whether it is clear, video is clear, and the voice is audible to you. Please comment. Rukmini Sangam. Yes, sir. VR Sangam. Yes, sir. Hi. Hello. Yes. Thank you so much, VR Sangam, Rukmini Sangam, Aesthetic. Thank you for your replies, students. So let's continue here. First event occurring during photosynthesis. absorption of light energy by what? Chlorophyll. Okay, simple is there. Second one is conversion of light energy into chemical energy. This is the second event, students. Conversion of the light energy is absorbed, it will be converted into chemical energy by plants. And continue. Still second event is not completed. Okay, splitting of what, students? Splitting of that water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. These water molecules will be splitting inside the plants during this reaction. So that's why the plants release oxygen and that hydrogen is used, carbon dioxide is used for making the food, that is glucose or carbohydrates or starch, we can say, students. This is the second event. Simple, very easy. Conversion of light energy into chemical energy and splitting of water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. This is the second event. And the third event, last event, okay, reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrates. Reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrates. So these are the three main events occurring during photosynthesis. Very simple, very easy. Balanced chemical equation is also very, very important, and three main events occurring during photosynthesis is also very, very important. So in this equation only we can understand these three events. How absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. First event. Second one, conversion of light energy into chemical energy and splitting of water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. And the last event, reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrates. A very simple, a very easy topic. So easily you can understand this one. 10th standard, mainly I am giving you a very, very important tips here. Daily you have to read for 1 hour, just 1 hour. You give it for studies, because consistency, continuously if you read, definitely you will score more. Class 10th syllabus is very, very easy and very, very less syllabus you have. When you go to the class 11 or PUC first year, if you take science, their syllabus will be very, very lengthy. It is vast syllabus is there. This syllabus is very easy, but daily you have to study well. See, one important motivational story I will tell you within a few seconds. Okay, stone is there. One big stone is there. You pour 1,000 buckets of water. Okay, the stone shape will not be changed. Okay, but in that stone, drop by drop, continuously you release the water. After few days, the hole will become in the stone. 1,000 buckets of water you poured, no change in their shape. Okay, continuously drop by drop you have poured the water. The stone become a hole in the stone. By this we can understand that consistency is very, very, very important. Daily we have to give few hours in 24 hours. You have 24 hours. In that, time management is very, very important. You give only few hours for study purpose, definitely you will score more. So please daily attend my free live biology classes in YouTube in Shri GOPAL KULKARNI YouTube channel. Those who have still not subscribed, please subscribe into my channel. Okay, please like and share to your friends, students. So today's topic you have understood, I think. So very easy topic, and it is an important question. 3 main events occurring during photosynthesis. This question may ask in your SSLC, that is a 10th class 10th examination. And this balanced equation is also very important. So why we have written 6 here, 12H2O, 6 and 6 here. So already in chemistry first chapter already you know chemical equation and chemical reaction and equation. So balancing the equation. And another important I want to tell you that here how to remember this reaction, sir? We cannot remember. It is very easy to remember. How? Only water you have to write 12H2O here in the reactant. This is product and this is reactant. And already you know that one. Only in reactant water you have to write 12H2O. And as usual, same you have to write. You do not have to write any numbers here. C6H12O6 in the products. Remaining all you have to put 6. 6 CO2, plants need carbon dioxide, 6 CO2. 12H2O water, only this one 12 you have to write. C6H12O6, food is prepared. And water 6H2O, okay, it is prepared already, it is formed during photosynthesis, 6 to 2. Simple, chlorophyll, sunlight. 6 CO2 plus 12H2O in the presence of sunlight, plants have chlorophyll, they prepare the food. C6H12O6 plus 6H2O, water is formed and 6O2, oxygen is released. A very simple and very easy topic. So today we have the live session here. So hope I think you have understood all these things. So let's meet in next video. Until then, take care, keep studying. Bye bye students.